You guys, it happened. It happened again. I cannot tell you how many times I've run into this. Way too often. It should never happen, and yet it happens all the time. And I don't want it to happen to you. And so there's one thing that you need to do. If you're taking medications, if anybody you know or love is taking medications, you need to do this one thing because your doctor isn't doing it. They should be doing it, but I can tell you time and time again, I run into this issue because doctors aren't doing their job the way they should. And I don't want to come down on doctors. Oftentimes we're doing the best we can, but if you have different types of doctors prescribing medications and they're not checking with each other, then this can happen. So I was consulting with a colleague today who has a patient who has been given more and more medications, and her anxiety is getting worse, her restlessness is getting worse, her insomnia. She has all of these palpitations, heat intolerance, her symptoms are amplifying, and she doesn't know what to do. So I did the one thing that you need to do. You need to go to drugs.com and you need to plug your medications into the interactions checker. And these are just 2 of the medications that she's taking. And there are pretty major interactions with these medications, and they can cause the symptoms that she's experiencing. In fact, these interactions could be so problematic, it could be lethal. So when in doubt, check your medications in drugs.com.